Walking through a party in the county jail. The prison band was there and they began to wail. The whole band was jumping, the joint began to swing. You all heard a knocked out jailbird sing, let's rock. Everybody, let's rock, mama. Everybody in the old South Law, get to the jailhouse rock. Spider Murphy playing the tenor saxophone. Little Joe got blown on a slide trombone. The drummer boy from Illinois and crash, boom, bang. The whole rhythm section was a purple gang. Yeah, let's rock. Everybody, let's rock, y'all. Everybody in the old South Law, do the jailhouse rock. Southside was sitting on a block of stone. Way over in a corner, weeping all alone. The one said, hey buddy, don't you be no square. If you can't find a partner, use a wooden chair. Yeah, let's rock. Everybody, let's rock, mama. Everybody in the old South Law, to the jailhouse rock. Number 47 said to number 3, you're the cutest jailbird that I ever did see. I super be delighted with your company. Now come on and do the jailhouse rock with me. Let's rock. Hey, hey, Lord. Everybody in the old South Law, do the jailhouse rock. Come on, Russell. Consider Henry, but for heaven's sakes, no one looking now, a chance to make a break. First I turn to shifty and a satin mix. I wanna stick around and get my kicks. Let's rock. Hey, hey, everybody in the old South Law. Woo! The playing the tenor saxophone. Little Joe was blown on a slide trombone. The drummer boy from Illinois crash, boom, bang. The whole rhythm section was a purple gang. Yeah, let's rock. Hey, hey, 47 said to number 3, you're the cutest jailbird that I ever did see. Sure, be delighted with your company. Now, come on and do